hey guys, I'm just standing on the paint on my 2017 Honda Civic Type R. Dropping the car off. Kyle, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Dude, how long, what do you, honestly, what do you think? Are you thinking about 8 to 10 weeks or so?
I would say about there, but hopefully a little sooner. We'll see. It's a lot of work.
It's going to be awesome. So you're going to say, I'm going to say goodbye to it, and you're going to say hello to it, and it's going to be a permanent fixture here for a while.
Hopefully not too long.
Yeah, hopefully not too long. Well, thank you very much, and we'll see you in a few months. Hey everybody, I'm HondaPro Jason, and this was my 2017 brand new Civic Type R. Before I get into what we're doing, let's do a quick 360 walk around. This one will be a little different because you're going to stay there, and I'm going to walk the car around this way. It's awfully light without an engine and suspension and front end and doors and windows and stuff and hatch. But to let you guys know kind of what we're doing and how we're doing it, Kyle, come on in, brother. This is Kyle from Kirk's Collision, and he's the one responsible for dismantling and my new car, right?
Yes.
So awesome work, by the way, so far. It looks amazing. I think we have more work to do, though.
There's a lot more work to do.
Yes.
We have a lot more sanding, a lot more prepping, not a whole lot more disassembly, but...
So bring me through. So first, so everybody knows out there, we're doing a complete color change.
Correct.
I decided not to wrap it. I want to do it paint, and I want to change the color so it looks like it came from the factory this way.
Yes.
And we're going with Phoenix Yellow, which is an iconic Type R color.
One of the best.
What's the first thing you guys did? Well, I had some signatures on there.
First, we had to get all the signatures off, which was a chore in itself. And then we took a bunch of pictures just so we knew just a good starting point of where everything was at.
Of course.
The technician that has spent most of the time on this has about 300 pictures so far.
Wow.
Nuts, bolts, grommets, everything. So we want to make sure it goes back exactly how it came back apart.
Let's take a look at the outside of the car really quick here. So doors are off, and we're going to replace all the stickers.
We are going to replace all the badges. We're not going to tape around them or paint around them. They will all be replaced with new OEM badges.
And we decided to leave the dash in because it didn't make sense to take it out for any reason.
There's no reason to take the dash out. You can do everything without it.
Makes perfect sense. All the glass came out.
Yes.
Wow. I've actually seen the car like this before because I was in Swindon when they were building it.
Okay.
So I've seen the car being built, and now I'm seeing the car being disassembled. Where's the engine?
The engine is over in the corner.
Let's go check it out.
All right.
Okay, let's go check out the engine. Because people are curious on kind of how you took this out, because the wheels are still on it.
We took out the whole subframe assembly with all the drivetrain intact.
It would make it easier for you just to put everything back.
Pretty much dropped right out the bottom of the car.
Wow. And everything's all taped up so no dust is going to get in anywhere.
Absolutely. All the hoses are taped off, all the intake ducts, everything is taped off. We did put a brace on top of the struts to make sure the suspension isn't floppy, just so it all goes back together without any issues.
Super smart, and that's the heart of my baby. So let's go see some of the panels you pulled off. Let's go check those out. Come on, guys. The difference between the hatchback and the Type R, this hood is aluminum. I'm pretty darn strong, but if this was steel, I don't think I'd be able to do this. Let me set this off to the side here for a moment. There we go. And then some of the panels, so we have the door panels here. Fenders are here somewhere too, it looks like. Got some fenders, some door panels, the extra pieces, the arrow that makes the Type R, the mirrors, it's one of my mirrors. And we're going to, like I said, we're going to do some customization. I don't want to give away all the secrets right now, but we are going to do some custom paint in addition to the custom paint. We're going to accent the paint. And we might change, not really change the arrow, but maybe make some things that might not have been functional, possibly a little bit more functional. And just overall make the car, well, my own, which is what I want. I want to make it special.
Absolutely.
And thanks to you and the team here, it's going to make it very, very special. How long do you think this whole thing will take from beginning to end? About?
Really, it's a good solid couple month process
Okay.
to do everything start to finish.
Okay.
There's just so many man hours in taking everything apart and making sure we know how to put it back together in the right order.
Since you mentioned that, let's show them this back room really quick. And back here you have drawers and
Yes.
containers of parts that are all well marked.
Yep.
So, I mean, almost anyone can put it back together if something happened. They know where everything
no
is.
confusion on where anything goes.
That is amazing. And I'm sure you're going to add a couple more to these bins as well.
Absolutely.
And then after it's all put together, what gets painted, you're painting all the panels separately.
Yes, we are painting it in pieces, so there's no tape lines anywhere on the whole car.
And then after they're painted, it's going to go into a bake booth.
Correct.
And it's going to be baked.
The paint will be fully baked at 170 degrees, so we will paint it and be able to roll it out of the booth fully cured in a matter of 40 minutes.
And then after it gets painted, there's going to be some waiting time, and then we're going to have it ceramic coated.
Yes, with Seacort's finest.
And who's going to do that work for us?
Status Detail in Springfield, Missouri.
That is going to be awesome.
They do
So
amazing work.
with the ceramic coating, it's going to beat all the water and the dirt and everything right off of it. It's going to add an extra part of, a little extra protection.
An extra layer, yes,
Oh
absolutely.
my gosh. So if you guys aren't following this build, you guys can actually go on your computer right now, and you guys can go to www.hondaprojason.com, and here at Kirk's Collision, you guys can watch it 24 hours a day live stream. Just remember that it gets dark here in Missouri at night, so be aware at night it'll be dark and you won't be able to see anything. But during the day, you guys can see everything and you guys can watch the whole build. So thank you very much for everything. This is amazing.
Thank you for trusting us with it.
No problem at all. Kyle, I can't thank you enough.
It's my pleasure.
This is turning out to be one epic, epic project, and just for you to take it on is amazing. So I appreciate it, brother. Everything. And for you guys at home from Republic, Missouri, I'm the Honda Pro, and now you're in the know.